In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to WordPress. To do this, what you want to go and do is first open up WordPress and from within your dashboard, go to Upgrades and click on Domains. Now when you are here in Domains, go to Add New Domain and then here under Already Own a Domain, click on Use a Domain I Own. Then here enter your domain, so for me it's this right here, and then click Continue. Then you will see this right here. Now just go to connect your domain and keep your domain with your current provider and point it to WordPress.com. So click on Select. Now for this you will need to have WordPress Annual. So if you are currently on a free plan or a monthly plan, you will need to get an annual plan at least. And from there you will need to pay for it. But essentially from there, after you do have that, you will get some DNS records. And now what you want to do is go to Namecheap and go to your account. Then dashboard, and then here you want to go to your domain list, and from within your domain list go to the drop down here, click manage next to the domain that you want to connect, and from there go to advanced DNS. And now here you may already have some DNS records. You can go and delete those if you don't need them, and then click add new record. Often you will need to add an A record and or a CNAME record. Now on Namecheap, what you want to go and do is go to account, then here go to dashboard, and then from here go to your domain list. And in the domain list, just click on the drop down and then click manage. And usually your domain will be on the name servers of Namecheap basic DNS. Now what you want to do is click on custom DNS right there, and then you need to enter a few name servers. So usually it will be this and then NS2 and NS3. Now this may be different for you, but this is what it usually is. Then just go and hit save, and then it should propagate, and this can take 24 to 48 hours, but usually it is within a few minutes or hours. And then when it's done with propagating and you have entered this, you will then have pointed the domain toward your WordPress site. Now sometimes what can also happen is that you need to add DNS records. So for that, just go to Advanced DNS. And then if you are still on the Namecheap basic DNS, then here you can add your DNS records as well. So that's how you can connect your Namecheap domain to WordPress. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.